Alright guys, good to see you. This is lesson 9.4. It's geometry. We're classifying 3D figures. Listen, I'm going to make sure I put the page number, okay, of the worksheets that will be uploaded to SB, okay? So this is going to be page 13. You might want to print them out, before you watch the video. This way you can make notes on it, okay? It is good to see you. Hope all is well. I think with this one, we're going to go on a field trip. What do you think? Yep. So on lesson 10.4, definitely tune in because we're going to go on a field trip for these naming the three-dimensional shapes, okay? All right, this is all vocabulary on this lesson. That's good news, okay? All right, the first thing, these are three-dimensional shapes, is a prism, okay? A prism is any shape, okay, three-dimensional shape, where there's two polygons that are parallel and they're the same, okay? The other faces are rectangles. Those are called lateral faces. But the two that are the same and are parallel, that's how you name it. So you would name this a triangular prism, okay? So you name it by the bases, the two faces that are parallel and they're also the same. So that's what a prism is, okay? A pyramid only has one base. You also name it by the base. This example right here, the base is a triangle, okay? And then with pyramids, all the lateral faces, all the non-bases are triangles, okay? Whereas over here, all the lateral faces are rectangles, okay? Over here, all the lateral faces are triangles. There's only one base, it's sitting on a triangle. You could call this a triangular pyramid, but they also call this a tetrahedron. And I love how you probably play the game Tetris. I've heard of the game Tetris. You know, Tetris is four. All right, there's four faces when you look at that triangular pyramid. It's sitting on one triangle, and there's three triangles going around it. All right, cylinder. Everybody knows this one. All right, your bases are circles. Okay, cone. You have one base as a circle. Okay. And then a sphere, like a basketball or a baseball. Okay, look at the definition though. Solid in which each point is equidistant from the center point. They literally mean, there's a point that's serving as a center, and then in every direction it's the same radius. And that's why it makes it nice and perfect, and that's a sphere. Alright, so we'll run through a few of these, make sure you can name them. You got prism, you got pyramid, you got cylinder, you got cone, you got sphere. And then, you know what, this is lesson 9.4, and then lesson 10.4, let's go on a field trip, seriously. And I'll make it a little bit more easier to understand these. All right, let's just try these first three. I'm going to zoom in on these first three as best I can here. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so number one, let's hit focus. All right, immediately you know it's a pyramid because you only have one base. Look, there's only one base. And all of the other faces going around it are triangles. So with a pyramid, all you do is focus on the base here, and that base is a rectangle. So this is a rectangular pyramid. Rectangular pyramid. Okay, easy enough. Also, you can tell right away, it comes to a point, because when all those lateral faces come together, they make a little point right here. This is a rectangular pyramid, and believe it or not, that is an N. Yeah, my handwriting certainly hasn't improved. Number two, I'm not even going to waste your time. You know that's a cone, okay? All right, now number three, not a pyramid, okay, because we're not coming to one point. Oh, look, I see a triangle right here, and I see a triangle right here. And those triangles are parallel, okay, and they're the same. So this is going to be a prism. And remember, those parallel triangles are the bases. All the other rectangles going around it are your lateral faces. So this is a triangular prism. Triangular prism. Okay, look at the difference here. Cone has a circular base. Pyramid comes to one point. Prism, you have two polygons that are exactly the same, they're parallel, and all the other ones are rectangles. Okay, I'm gonna have you try 4, 5, and 6. Okay, you know how long this takes me to get these things in focus. So let me have you try 4, 5, and 6. And okay, go ahead and answer 4, 5, and 6. Actually, you know what? Go ahead and answer 4 through 9. All right, I'll wait. Okay, I'll clean this up. Are you excited about the field trip on the next lesson? Yeah, I can't wait. I've been stuck in this 11 by 11 room making videos. I know they're gonna start wondering about me. Okay, get me an answer for number 4, for number 5, number 6, 7, 8, 9. Just waiting. Okay, here we go. All right, so look at this example here. Number 4, coming to a point. Definitely pyramid. Or if you want to say all the lateral faces, all the faces going around it are triangles. All right, so now we need to focus on the bottom here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what shape is that? That's a hexagon. So you're going to write hexagonal. I know, isn't that ridiculous? All right, the bottom is a hexagon. Let me make sure I'm seeing that right. Yeah, 6, right? 1, 2, 3, yeah. So take hexagon and add the so hexagonal pyramid. I know, wow. That'll really impress your girlfriend. All right, number 5, oh, come on. Cylinder. By the way, I'm still clean on the Mountain Dew, not drinking the Mountain Dew. It's making me think of Mountain Dew though. But I'm still clean. Okay, over here, definitely a prism. Okay, and then look, that's a square, and that's a square, so square prism. Okay, over here, all right, I see one of my favorite shapes. Look, there's a trapezoid right here, and there's a trapezoid behind it. Those are parallel, so definitely prism. And this is going to be trapezoidal. Trapezoidal. Wow, that just sounds beautiful, doesn't it? Okay, over here, looks like, I think all 4 sides are marked equal. I really can't tell. Bad copy. If all 4 sides are marked equal, this is a square pyramid. You can email me if I'm wrong. Alright. And finally, look. Parallel, parallel. So definitely a prism. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. Think of Washington, D.C. Yes. Pentagon. And then you're going to say pentagonal. Woo, that's fun. Well, if you get bored, just practice saying pentagonal, trapezoidal, hexagonal. All right, this is lesson 9.4, naming 3-dimensional figures. The next one, lesson 10.4, let's go on a field trip. Take it easy.